He's ready.
Uh-oh. Oscar is at risk of getting zerbeted by the Mo. Oh, you should have held on to him longer. Oh, here he comes. Ah! Oh, careful, careful, careful. Watch where you're going. You alright? Did you hurt your foot? Maybe someone shouldn't leave cars on the floor like this.
Where is Mommy? I left it on the floor? I don't think so.
No, that wasn't Mommy. That was Mr. Moses.
Okay, who's gonna jump into the pile of cushions? Who's gonna jump into the pile of cushions? Pile of cushions. Pile of cushions. Pile of...
Watch out, Moses. Make sure you don't land on Oscar.
Pile of cushions. Yeah.